And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you how you can create an image transparency effect. It's easily done using the property opacity, which is basically the opposite of transparency. We need an image, obviously. I have it in our img project folder. So I use img/ then pattern. It was a PNG, and it's a flower pattern image. But I have to spell it correctly. Here it is now. Then let's target this in our CSS img as a selector, and I set the width to 100% so that it is as big as a browser window. And now all that it takes is to add opacity. As I've said, it's the opposite of transparency, so 100% transparency would be 0 opacity. And it's not spelled in percentage, it's spelled in 1.0, that would be 100%. 0.05 would be, for example, 5%. Let me add a second image. Our photography JPEG. And I'll show you an effect that's usually used with this opacity property. So we have two images here, and I give them a fixed width and height. I'll make that width 300, height maybe 500. Let us try that. That's a little bit too stretched. I make it 400 for the height. We have our images now side by side like it would be in a gallery. And the effect that's often used is the img and then :hover. So we select the img element again, but only when we hover over it with the mouse. And here we set the opacity to 1.0, 100%. So it's 0% transparent. And for the regular image selector without the hover effect, we set it to, for example, 0.5, so 50%. And now we have this typical effect for galleries where you hover over the images and it looks like you're selecting one of these. So this effect is done via the opacity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.